pretty much making this video too, because you know how people have videos where they're explaining how to do something, but they're not even saying it, not even explaining, they're showing, and they have like a music playing over, and they're just like moving around doing certain things, and you want to see, like, you want to watch the process. I don't know why or what you say, I think you're too loyal, you say, I think you're too loyal, Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. I am so stressed out. My room looks disgusting, like an actual tornado just came and ruined my room. I legit always do this where I'm like looking for clothes, I'm looking for a certain like specific item, and I make my whole room crazy and I just have clothes everywhere. Now I have no excuse for the makeup. That's always messy. Definitely not dirty, but definitely messy. Like, there's not dirty clothes everywhere or like plates from like a week ago or anything like that. I do leave a lot of cups though of water. That's my issue, so I just need to tighten it up. After my room is clean, I want to start doing like my drawers and my closet and just like give away things that I don't need anymore. So that's something that I already always do, but now I want to like really go hard because it's been a while. Those have just been sitting there. My grandma has to send it out to people. But the thing is, I want to clear out my closet because I have no freaking space. It's actually annoying. It's really annoying because I'm always like, I feel like I'm at work. Because at work, I'm like trying to fit clothes into the racks. And that's what I'm doing in my closet. And I'm breaking hangers all the freaking time. Oh, and by the way, I just put this new product in my hair for the first time. I used it today. I'm not going to show you it because I don't know where it's at. It's under it has to be like somewhere under this mess, and I'm not trying to get up from the chair right now. But I actually like the way my hair is looking. I air dried it. I didn't use a diffuser, and I almost felt cool. This is what my curls are looking like. Can you see it? I hope you can. But yeah. The last thing I want to say before I get to cleaning is that if you don't have me on TikTok, I'm going to need you to get me on TikTok because... How many followers? I have 390 followers right now, and one of my videos is going like viral. I feel like that's viral. I literally have 30,000 views on this video. I don't know who this girl is. Well, now I know who she is, but I didn't know who she was, and people were tagging me and saying I look like her. So this is her on the right. Hold on, I don't know if you guys can tell. This is her on the right, and then this is me. So I just literally remade the video. But for the full video, go add me. Kiaramonet is my TikTok. Ugh, I have hair in my mouth. Let me close this window before people see me cleaning. Okay. I really don't want to clean, but I'm going to. In all honesty, I don't even know where to start. Okay. This is a blanket that I no longer want anymore. I'm gonna give it away to someone. That's this pile over here. This is to give away. This is to give away. They're sweaters from Victoria's Secret Pink. I have another one. I put it on my Poshmark to sell, but it looks like people didn't want it. This one is cute, crop kind of cropped. This is from Forever 21. This is all in the pile to give away, or if you guys want to purchase it, it'll be on Poshmark. I think my Poshmark is under Kiaramonet. Should be. I told you it's a struggle. If you guys want to see my closet, me doing my closet and my drawers, that's a separate video because that is horrible. Like, it is so overly packed. I'm not trying to do that today. Like, I'm really, really not. Let me get back to cleaning. This right here is a bag of clean clothes, but I feel like doing this last. I don't know, so I'm just gonna put it to the side. I have mad pillows, too many pillows, honestly. I don't need all these pillows. I'm crushing my poor baby. I'm sorry. Oh my god, my other child is under here. Sorry. My poor children. Almost suffocated them. I have a brush under here. This is also something to give away. I've had it for so long. Just not my style anymore. But I know a lot of people who still love this. And it's long. So, let me know if you guys want that. I believe this is on my Poshmark also. These are all sweaters that I love. This is my Biggie sweater. My other Biggie sweater. My Champion sweater. I just literally have not had like the time to wear this. Not even the time. It's just, I don't know. I was working so much. I guess I could wear it for quarantine. I don't freaking know. My issue is that I don't have space for things. Like, I just had to be on, smash, and stuff all of those sweaters into a drawer that they did not even fit in. And then, like, I can't move anything around in my closet. So that's okay. My camera just stopped. My camera always stops if the video is recording for more than 20 minutes. So it just automatically stops. It's not just this camera too. It was the camera before that I had. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, I have no space for anything. Anything at all. That's why my room gets so messy, because it's like I have to stuff things back. I have to pull everything out just to find like one thing. This is also to give away. So it has the place where you can put your fingers through. Where is the freaking zipper? I know this is not broken. There's no way. Bruh, there's literally no way. Oh, it's on the... No? Oh, yeah, it is on the side. Okay. So it looks like this. Oh, I thought that was a stain. Alright, so it looks like this. It's a little bit longer in the back than it is in the front. So I'm giving this away. Class of 2012. Then I have my high school pin on here. I used to wear this hat faithfully. Like, you have no idea. This is my high school pin. Class of 2012. I got my Yankee jersey. Comment below if you guys know who this is. Don't look it up. Just only if you know who it is. Comment below. Don't be a cheater and look it up though. I'm watching you. Okay, so update. Since I started making this video like 20 minutes ago, I now have 33,000 views on that video, which is so freaking cool. I don't know, I think it would be so cool if we just like linked up and did a video together. I'm like actually stuffing things into my drawer, so I'm gonna like finish up this area and that area, and then I'm gonna do my makeup and stuff like that. But I don't want my camera to die, so still be right back. So actually my mom just called me down to go eat, and it's like, do I even want to come back upstairs to clean my room? I don't know. I need to stop playing games. I need to clean my room. It's just like I don't want to.